How to fix Unity error in Zenless zone. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm gonna teach you how you can easily fix the Zenless zone 0 Unity error. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply restart the game. In order to do it, you just have to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and then open the task manager. Then you need to end the task for Zenless Zone 0. Also end the task for Hoyo Play or Epic Games. Then you need to try launching the Zenless Zone 0 again. If it crashes, then you just have to restart your PC and try launching it once more. If this method doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can simply modify the launch options. For that, you need to open the Hoyo Play launcher and then select the menu icon. Afterwards, you just have to choose game settings and then open directory. Then you just have to right click on Zenless Zone 0.exe and select properties. Then you need to copy the file location. On your desktop, you just have to right click an empty space and then select new followed by shortcut. Then you need to paste the file location. Then you need to name the shortcut as ZZZ and launch the game from the shortcut. So this was the second method of fixing this issue. In the third method you can do is you can simply run the game as administrator. For that you just have to open the Epic Games launcher if you are using the game in Epic Games. Then you need to go to library and click on the three dots under Zenless Zone 0 and select manage. Then you need to right click Zenless Zone 0 and choose properties. Go to compatibility, enable run this program as an administrator. For Hoyo Play, you need to open Hoyo Play launcher and then go to Zenless Zone 0, select menu and then game settings option. Then you need to open the directory, right click Zenless Zone 0, choose properties and enable run this program as an administrator. You can even check the compatibility mode. So similar to step 3, you can run the game in compatibility mode if needed. You can even try updating your graphics drivers. So for NVIDIA, you need to visit the NVIDIA's official website and you need to download the latest drivers from there. Similar is the case if you are using the AMD graphics card. So these are some of the instructions that you can follow in order to fix the Unity error in Zenless Zone 0. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.